Hi lovers, please, we need an advice. So, what do you think about this water leaf? Yeah, it's fresh, as you can see. So, please, we need an advice. Please, oh, it's urgent, please. Is it true that for a low BP patient, if you're a low BP patient, that you need to be eating vegetable, most especially this water leaf? You understand? That is going to help to. It's going to help this thing to high, the BP to high. That you should be eating water leaf. You know me, I'm not a fan of water leaf. Trust me, I'm not a fan of water leaf. But I have no choice. Yeah, at least we are doing this to see a better result. Please, does it work for low BP patients? Please tell us. We're in need of your advice, and what do you think that we should be doing so that your BP will be, the person BP will be high? Okay, please